The Pitman Training Software Development Diploma is one of Ireland's leading entry-level programming and development qualifications. The programme combines training with the latest industry standard software languages, as well as developing other key skills, such as communication and leadership skills. With this diploma programme, you'll get the highest level of practical skills required to work in an entry-level development or software testing role. The diploma is divided into two parts: core courses and an elective course. Core courses are mandatory and include HTML fundamentals, MTA Software Development Fundamentals, MTA Database Administrator Fundamentals, MTA Introduction to Python Programming, Introduction to Programming Concepts, MTA Introduction to Programming using Java and Communication Skills for IT specialists. Elective courses are also included, and you have the option to select one course most relevant to your career and training objectives, including Programming in C#, MTA Introduction to Programming using JavaScript, Introduction to Programming using HTML and CSS, and HTML5 Fundamentals. After successfully completing your diploma, you'll have the real-world skills and a highly recognised qualification, and is your entry route to work as a programmer or developer in the ever-growing IT sector. We have centres worldwide, and our training centre in Wexford is conveniently located at the West Point Business Park in Clonard, on the outskirts of Wexford town, with free parking for all of our students. Our modern, comfortable training centres are designed to ensure you have the very best training experience. Training rooms are set up to mirror real-world offices, with comfortable chairs, large multi-screen PCs, and of course a team of experienced and supportive tutors to help you with every step of your training. Pitman Training is a highly respected and award-winning organisation, specialising in career-based training for over 180 years. We now offer over 400 courses, and all are accredited by the CPD Standards Office for CPD points, as well as by a range of partners including Microsoft, Adobe, the Association of Accounting Technicians, BCS, CompTIA Digital Marketing Institute, Engineers Ireland, and many more.
I found the course excellent, especially as I was not in an IT role. The staff at Pitman are extremely helpful and gave me all the help I required. I would recommend their course to anyone. Thanks so much.
It was an honour to spend time with you guys. Now I can fulfill my dream to be able to write my own programme.
I just finished the Advanced IT Support Diploma. A great course. It was so much more than I expected. I learned so much.
With the skills and credibility you'll receive with your Pitman Training Diploma, you'll be able to choose the career of your dreams with the very best employers. Our graduates go on to work with some of Wexford's and Ireland's largest employers, including Bosch & Lomb, Zurich Insurance, the HSE, Mater Private Hospitals, Amazon, Apple, Bank of Ireland, Dell EMC, and Sanofi. You won't regret choosing Pitman Training. We're multi-award winning, with unrivaled graduate success rates, offering over 400 CPD accredited courses, from management and HR to tech and software. Established over 180 years ago, we're now Ireland's largest network of independent training centres, and a trusted training partner for some of the largest companies in the region. Our friendly team of highly skilled professionals are available to support and guide you, not just during your training, but beyond, until you reach your training or career objective. We offer the most flexible training options, meaning you can complete your diploma by training full-time, part-time, or via distance learning. You can even choose our unique Flexi student option, so you can train at times that suit you. We're now enrolling, so for more information or to request a free consultation with one of our professional course advisors, where you can discuss your exact training and career objectives, contact us now by calling us on free phone 1800 532 632 or visit www.pitman-training.ie.